video. This is just part 2 of this world. So let's just get right into it. You bitch. Okay. Why am I throwing it that way? Her friends were just trying to look after her. And she had to let them down. Aww. Whoa, super chill! Do it! No. Okay. Alright, let me electrocute it. Grab it, jump, throw. Down here. Maybe she should find her friends and apologize. Probably what I'll do. Don't let the angry thunder guys destroy your little boat kitty! What is wrong with me? Oh! There! Bounce! Kick! Jump! Huh? Yay! Now they give it to it all! Come on! You bitch! All this had been tiring for her, switching between being with them and then not being with their friends. Go! That was fun. Oh my gosh. No, go! Oh, I'm so fucking cool for that. I mean, it's not that really big. I pressed the wrong button in my brain. Oh my gosh, I had to press up, not down. Oh, fuck. Text. But she could still fix this. Her friends were in here with her. I want to throw you! And throw you. I lied. Jump across. I know exactly what to do. Now you go down, because you're naughty. You're gonna explode. Now I do. No! Gotcha! Gotcha! No! Yay! No, I got the toy! Now what's that? No! No! Get up! No! Yay! So tiny! Scary! Get over him! Go! 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 There's even bills! Thank you guys for watching and peace!